Good morning, and what I hope will be a beautiful Friday. I'm working from home today because we've got blinds installers coming, but I've got lots of meetings and lots of work to get done. Let's get started. Here's my impression of Stephanie trying to water the plants in Stardew Valley, the video game, last night.
You're forgetting to water the same place 3 times.
How's it going? Try to see if we got some. His phone is ringing in the background.
Dance party one.
Dance party's over. I made popcorn.
Look at that steam on there. No.
Steph says my hair does something weird when I nap. Interesting. The hair mayhem has been reduced about 10%. So we just got done seeing Molly's game. What'd you think?
So good.
So good? I really enjoyed it too.
Noche. Legit. Hasta la vista. Hasta la vista, baby.
No. Say goodbye. Tata. Adios.
He
Adios, amigo.
already said Spanish.
Aw, guten Abend.